Crete has a warm climate, and the island's architecture reflects that. You're going to see a lot of what looks like medieval architecture around, and that's exactly what it is. Most of the distinctive buildings went up in Crete under the Venetian rule in the 16th and 17th centuries, and you might be forgiven for thinking you're in Venice or some other port in Italy. Castle enthusiasts will also enjoy Crete, which has several outstanding examples of massive fortifications, especially in the Heraklion and Rethymno. There is also a strong Ottoman Turkish tradition, which you can see in the few mosques and monuments preserved in Heraklion. It's a good idea to walk around the castles to get an impression of the sheer strength and size, and to imagine the ferocious battles between the Venetians and the Turks over these very ramparts. There are also more recent 19th century mansions in and around Heraklion and Hania. These have shady courtyards peculiar to Crete. Some have been converted into smart cafes or restaurants where you can directly experience the leisurely life of past times. So once we're refreshed, we can continue.